Hey, what's going on YouTube? We got another video for you today. It's going to be a fun one. It has to do with winter and why you should not be driving a Mustang or any type of Mustang in the wintertime, because it's just honestly just not a good idea. If you have the cojones to do so, good for you. Or putting snow tires on might be a different story, but in reality Mustangs suck in the winter. So I'm just going to give you a little example and maybe a little rev up of the 350, and we're going to cold start the 5.0, which you guys haven't really seen on the channel yet. So 5.0 has been sitting for a good 3 months without being started. Got the battery on there charging right now, so therefore hopefully when we start it, it cranks right over. So we'll see. Stay tuned and prepare for a good video. Alright guys, so again, this hasn't been started for probably about 3 to 4 months. Not a good idea that it's been sitting for that long, but better late than never, right? And I'm hoping this thing starts. I'm not sure if it's going to start or not yet, so we'll see. Alright guys, thanks for watching another episode of Proper Luxury Productions. Had fun today just messing around. It is Sunday, so there's really not much else I could do here in Michigan since a lot of snow and don't have a snowmobile right now, so that kind of stinks. But today again we were just messing around, warmed up the cars, tried to get out of the driveway and realized we couldn't. Another prime example of always having a different vehicle on hand if you're in a state like this where it snows or it's seasonal. You know, have a rust bucket. So that's what I have, and that's what gets me from point A to point B in the wintertime, as these two babies of mine are in hibernation mode.